Percentage. Percentage of a given number. How do we write 1 by 2 of 40? In mathematics, of means to multiply. So we write it as 1 by 2 into 40. Then we cancel out the common factors and we get 1 by 1 into 20, that is 20. So we say that 1 by 2 of 40 is equal to 20. How do we write 2 by 3 of 51? In mathematics, of means to multiply. So we write it as 2 by 3 into 51. Then we cancel out the common factors and we get 2 by 1 into 17, which is equal to 2 into 17, which is equal to 34. So we say that 2 by 3 of 51 is equal to 34. Now can you find out the value of this expression? 20% of 600. 20% of 600 means 20 upon 100 of 600. Of means multiplied by. So we replace it by an into sign. So it becomes 20 upon 100 into 600. We cancel out the common factors and we get 20 into 6, which is equal to 120. Therefore, 20% of 600 is equal to 120. 5% of 840. 5% of 840 means 5 upon 100 of 840. Of means multiplied by. So we replace it by an into sign. So it becomes 5 upon 100 into 840. First, we cancel out the zeros. Then, we cancel out the common factors and we get 84 upon 2, which is equal to 42. Therefore, 5% of 840 is equal to 42. If Rita scored 85% marks in an exam and the exam conducted was out of 700 marks, what was Rita's score? Now to know her exact score, we must find out 85% of 700. How do we do that? Let's see. Let's try to solve some word problems. If Rita scored 85% marks in an exam and the exam conducted was out of 700 marks, what was Rita's score? Now to find her exact score, we must find out 85% of 700. How do we do that? Let's see. 85% of 700 means 85 upon 100 of 700. Of means multiplied by. So we replace it by an into sign. So it becomes 85 upon 100 into 700. We cancel out the common factors and we get 85 into 7, which is equal to 595. Therefore, 85% of 700 is 595. So Rita scored 595 marks out of 700 in the exam. Let's try to solve some word problems. There are 40% girls in a school. The total number of children in the school is 950. What is the number of girls in the school? Given the total number of children and the percent of girls. To find number of girls in the school. Now, 40% of 950 students are girls. 40% of 950 means 40 upon 100 of 950. Of means multiplied by. So we replace it by an into sign. So it becomes 40 upon 100 into 950. We cancel out the zeros from 100 and 950. Then we cancel out the zeros from 40 and 10. So we get 4 into 95, which is equal to 380. So the number of girls in the school is 380. How well did you understand how to find out a given percentage of a given number? 100%.